Sir, kay ano lang, Wanda Teo, categorically speaking, is there conflict of interest?
Why is there conflict?
Sabi yung sinasabi ng mga, yung tinanong po namin kanina na
meron
kasi siya
siyang
ng travel agency,
wala naman. First,
there's no conflict.
she passes the criteria of honesty, integrity, competence, experience. As far as the president is concerned, she has his trust and full confidence. Now, with respect to the alleged conflict of interest, kung may-ari lang siya ng isang tourism company, all she has to do is umalis siya doon. Wala na conflict.
And then Mr. Ramon Lopez is the executive director of Go Negosyo. Is there also conflict of interest?
Wala rin kasi there have been many times in the recent as well as past history na yung mga members of cabinet may mga kanya-kanya negosyo. Pero tinatanggal nila mga sarili nila ron. Wala namang nangyari sa tinatawag na conflict of interest.
So magda-divest lang sila?
Oh yeah, yun lang naman that's the requirement of the law. You have to divest. Tsaka, pag tinanggap nila yon, alam na nila ang patakaran. Di ba, sinabi ni Mayor Duterte, ang patakaran ko ganito. Gawin yun, dapat yung gawin kung ano ang gusto ko. Dahil kung hindi nyo magagawa, maghihiwalay tayo.
Attorney, gusto mo ba sabihin parang hindi naman sila magiging expert kung hindi talaga sila nasa field?
Oh yes. Ibig sabihin kaya yung pinili dahil unang-una sa lahat, palaging yun ang tinatanong niya eh. Pag may nirecommend ka sa kanya, unang tanong niya, honest ba yan? Yun ang pinaka-importante sa kanya. Kasi, competent man yan, magaling man yan, kung di naman honest yan, bakit ko pa i-appoint? So nakapasa lahat sa criteria si Miss Wanda.